Hello my friend, today I'm going to be showing you how to prep your wild Welsh mussels so you know they're alive, clean and ready to cook. You're going to want to eat these within 2 days of delivery, and once they arrive we're going to remove them from the bag. If you're not cooking them right away, give them a quick rinse under cold water, drain them, cover them with some damp kitchen paper and pop them in the fridge. When you're ready to cook, mix a generous amount of salt into a bowl of cold tap water, add the mussels and let them soak for about 20 minutes. Any that float to the top are likely dead, as well as any with broken shells, so just discard those. Next, check that all the shells are tightly closed. If you spot any open ones, give them a quick tap, and if they slowly close up, they're still good. You'll likely still see the beard attach. Just grab a small knife, pinch the beard between the knife and your thumb, then pull firmly towards the hinge until it comes loose. If you like, give the shells a quick scrub with a clean sponge to remove any barnacles. It's totally optional though, they won't harm you if they're left on. Lastly, once cooked, if you find any that haven't opened, the best thing to do is just not force it open and just discard. And it's as simple as that. Enjoy!